Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody took a design that I helped somebody else make, and they took it to the next step. And I thought I'd share with you a couple of things that he shared with me. He shared this on Facebook. It's pretty cool. He did little things different with solid colors. But he also went to a free puzzle maker. And I'm going to leave the link to this puzzle maker at the bottom of the video, and also a link to the video I made this one with. It's pretty cool because you can take and look up, different puzzles, and there is that puzzle. So it's an online puzzle. Well, I messed it up. There it is right there. Let's solve the problem. It's cutting it out. So you get these parts and you can move them around and do it online. So this is that drawing that he took. So I'm just going to kind of go over that a couple ways to make it simpler than I did the other day. So let's put both of our indexing lines in the center of the page. Let's take a 12-inch circle. Doesn't really matter what size you use. I've got my nudge factor set on 1/2 of an inch. I'm going to hit the plus sign and then move it down 1/2 of an inch. Probably don't really even need the indexing lines at this time. Then I'm going to go up to the top and get my no fill, have no outline. But then I'm going to take this and I'm going to nudge down my indexing line pretty far because you want this in the center. And then open up the Docker windows, Dockers, transformation, rotation. You've got to click on your item. And you see I've got the rotation there. I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees 35 times because you need 36, but you've already got one. And there you have it. Now, I'm going to take and make it blue. Whoop. And that's what I was afraid of. I was afraid the circles would still be there. I'm going to Control G and group it together. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to select it. I'm going to hit the plus key on my keyboard. I'm going to hold down the shift key and bring it in. Make it a different color. Plus key on your keyboard. Hold down the shift, bring it in, and just keep making different colors. Plus key, hold down the shift key, and what the shift key does, it makes it grow from the center outward, and then you could keep going. So you could take that and turn it into this, send it to friends. It's a free site. All you have to do is join. It would be rather difficult to put this together. And if we back up, it's 256 pieces. 2 people have already commented. I don't really know what 90, I can't believe that 98 people, people have so feel free to use it. It's free. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of the video and a link to that other video. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.